Check it out, the mason bees are using their home. That is really cool. We put this in, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago, and we weren't sure if any of the bees were using it. But it looks like they're really on it this year. I think I counted like 20 or so mason bees in the spring. Most of them broke out. It looks like they're working on capping the other ones that were empty for next year. It's kind of surprising. I thought that they would wait until the end of the summer before working on filling up the cavities for next year. Yeah, I guess they just don't waste any time. It's pretty neat. Daisy is investigating. Careful, Daisy. There's bees over there. She likes bees for some reason. Well, I'll let them do their thing and stop disturbing them. But I just thought this was really neat.